If you've ever wanted to build passive income online but thought it was too expensive, too technical, or just too overwhelming, this video is going to change that. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step method that uses free tools and powerful AI so that even beginners can start earning online with just 30 minutes of effort a day. And just so you know, this is the exact method I've been using to make money online while living in different countries around the world. It's flexible, it works, and it doesn't require any fancy setup or expensive tools. And stick around till the very end, because I'll reveal a secret traffic source that people making money with AI aren't sharing with anyone. So let's get into the exact method to start generating passive income from home using AI and the different tools to make it all happen. And don't worry, I've included links to all the tools mentioned in the description below so you can follow along easily. I'll show you how to clone a website in seconds, build a branded landing page in under 2 minutes, and use a simple ChatGPT trick to start earning $90 per day in passive income, all with just 30 minutes of effort a day. Let's bring all the pieces together with a practical example that you can apply right after watching this. You've probably heard about affiliate marketing. If not, here's a quick explanation. Affiliate marketing is a simple online business model where you earn a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. You don't need to create the product, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. You just bring in customers, and when they buy, you get paid. Now, let's talk about where to find these products. One of the easiest places to get started is ClickBank. ClickBank is a global affiliate marketplace that connects digital product creators with affiliates like you. It's free to sign up, and you get instant access to hundreds of high-converting products in every niche imaginable. Now, ask yourself, what's a topic you enjoy? Maybe you're into woodworking, fitness, gardening, or even yoga. For this video, let's go with something almost everyone can relate to: pets. So our niche is pet care, specifically dog training. Inside ClickBank, we find a dog training course that pays $45 per sale. It has a high conversion rate, which means it's a great product for beginners looking to get results fast. Once you get your unique affiliate link, your goal is to get people to click and buy the course. You could share your link with friends or coworkers, but that's not scalable. And honestly, a lot of people find that approach awkward or spammy. So you think, maybe I'll join some dog lover groups on Quora, Reddit, or Facebook and share the link there. It's a good idea in theory. These groups are full of people looking for solutions, but most of them don't allow direct promotional links. Doing that can get you flagged or banned. Here's a smarter way. Instead of dropping your link directly, you can write helpful blog articles based on the kinds of questions people are asking in those groups. Inside those blog posts, you include your affiliate link naturally as part of your helpful content. That way, you're not just selling, you're solving problems and earning trust. This approach gives you long-term traffic and sustainable income. If you're finding this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want more tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't know how to write blogs or build websites. That's where AI comes in. Let me introduce you to Claude AI. Claude can take an existing website layout and instantly generate the code you need to replicate it. You simply ask Claude to clone the structure of a simple landing page, and in seconds, it gives you ready-to-use HTML and CSS. With just a few tweaks, like adding your text, colors, and affiliate link, you've got a fully branded landing page. Now, while cloning a site with Claude is a great option if you want to replicate an existing website exactly, there's an even easier solution that requires zero coding, and that's using Wix AI. Wix now has a built-in AI assistant that can build an entire custom website for you, tailored to your needs. In our case, we'll continue with the dog training example. After you sign up and create your Wix account, the platform will guide you through a few questions. Just start a chat with the AI website builder and tell it what you want, like an e-commerce section to sell physical products and a blog for posting helpful content. I'll move through this part quickly for the sake of the video, but within a couple of minutes, Wix will generate a fully functional website based on your inputs, ready to customize, brand, and publish. Now that your website is live, it's time to start publishing blog articles, and this is where your affiliate link comes into play. First, we need a topic that people are genuinely searching for. So let's head over to a Reddit group about dogs and look for real questions from real users. Here's a great example, someone asking about a specific dog behavior issue. We'll take that question and go back to Wix AI, asking it to generate a helpful blog article on the topic. We'll also ask it to create relevant images and, if possible, embed our affiliate link naturally within the content. In just a few seconds, Wix delivers a polished article, complete with clear information, bullet points, and a solid conclusion. However, in this case, it didn't include our affiliate link, so we'll just add that in manually. After that, we hit Publish, preview the article, and double-check that the affiliate link works. Perfect. Now, when someone clicks on that link, they're taken to a high-converting landing page for the dog training course. From there, the sales process is automated. If the visitor signs up, you earn a commission. Here's something interesting that happened while preparing this video. I created a separate Wix site, and the AI generated 3 random blog articles for me. I didn't share the site or promote it anywhere, yet those articles have already started getting organic views from Google Search. Now imagine if I had embedded affiliate links in those articles. I could have earned my first sale without doing any extra work. And this is the real power of owning a content-based website. Google will be able to find every article you publish from now on. These blog posts stay indexed by Google forever and can attract visitors for months or even years after writing them. The more helpful your content and the more it matches what people are searching for, the more traffic and potential sales you'll generate over time. This is how real passive income is made using AI and affiliate marketing. Low effort upfront with long-term returns. Now here's the thing. If you want people to find your blog on Google, you need to write articles on topics they're actively searching for. So how do you do that? One simple method is to use the Google search bar. Start typing your topic, like "Why dogs whine at night," and see what autocomplete suggests. Then scroll down to the People Also Ask section to uncover related questions and article ideas. A more powerful approach is using a tool called Answer the Public. Just enter your topic and it will generate a list of related questions people are typing into search engines, along with estimated search volume. The higher the volume, the more people are searching for it, which means more potential traffic for your article. Once you've picked a high-volume topic, you could go back to Wix AI and ask it to generate the article for you. But this time, let's take it up a notch and bring in ChatGPT to put your content on steroids. Inside ChatGPT, there's a feature called GPTs. These are custom-trained AI tools created by users or experts for specific tasks, like dog training, blog writing, or SEO. Think of them like specialized assistants within ChatGPT, each one optimized for a specific area of knowledge. Let's search for dog training GPTs. We'll choose the first one, and you'll notice it shows ratings, usage numbers, and categories. These indicate how popular and reliable the GPT is. The more usage and positive feedback, the better. Now we'll ask this dog training GPT to write a detailed blog post based on the topic we found earlier. Once that's done, we'll open another GPT this time focused on SEO and blog optimization. We'll use it to fine-tune the article, improve headings, boost keyword relevance, and ensure it's structured to perform well in search engines. This process not only ensures you're writing content people are looking for, but also that it's optimized to be found on Google. The better your SEO, the more likely your article ranks high in search results, bringing in consistent traffic, clicks, and, eventually, affiliate income, even while you sleep. Now that your SEO-optimized article is ready, it's time to bring it to life on your blog. I opened up Wix, created a new post, and asked the AI to generate some visuals to go with it. Here's the result: a polished, detailed article about dog training, and yes, the affiliate link is smoothly added at the end. It says, "Read this article about how to unlock your dog's hidden intelligence." Sounds natural, right? When someone clicks that link, they're taken to a ClickBank landing page. These pages are designed to convert. Here's how that works. They create curiosity. Headlines like, "Discover the secret your dog trainer won't tell you," or "Why your dog ignores your commands and how to fix it," pull the reader in. They highlight a problem, hint at a surprising solution, and invite the visitor to keep reading. That's how they build trust and drive sales. At this point, your job is done. Now it's time for your next move. Find another real question that people are asking and turn it into a helpful article. Do this consistently, and over time, you'll build a website that drives traffic, earns commissions, and keeps working for you, even while you sleep. Before you publish your articles, you'll need to finish setting up your account with Wix. First, you need to get your domain. Looks like this one is available. It is included with your plan, so you do not need to buy one separately. Start with the core plan, just $11 a month. Use the link in the description below to get 50% off. Wix offers a 14-day free trial. This plan is super affordable. For the price of a side of fries, you can launch your online business today and start your new side hustle. And it doesn't stop at blogging. With the core plan, you can expand your site to sell merchandise, digital or physical products, do drop shipping, create online courses, or even host your own podcast. Wix AI is low cost with high potential. Let's do a quick recap of everything we've covered so far. Step 1. Sign up for ClickBank. Choose a niche you're genuinely interested in, then find an affiliate offer you'd like to promote. Step 2. Head over to Facebook, Reddit, or Quora groups in your niche. Look for real questions people are asking. Once you find a good question, go to Wix or ChatGPT and ask it to write a helpful article on that topic. Make sure your affiliate link is included naturally within the content. Then post your article as a genuine solution to the person's problem. Once you get the hang of it, this entire process will take you just 5 to 10 minutes. Now here's the key. Do this consistently for just 30 minutes a day and you'll start seeing real results. But remember, consistency is everything. Don't quit after the first week. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long game, and staying consistent is how you win. In your first month, you'll be learning. You'll figure out what types of articles get read, which questions are worth answering, and what content actually gets clicks. As you improve, Google will start to notice. It will begin ranking your articles higher. And the more people click your posts inside those social groups, the better your articles will perform on Google. That's the power of this synergy. You create helpful content, you stay consistent, and the algorithm rewards you over time. Here's the final secret source of traffic, and hardly anyone is talking about it. Go to Medium.com and sign up as a writer. Medium is a trusted platform known for high-quality content. And the best part? Your articles can be seen by millions of readers every day. Copy-paste the article from your blog into Medium. At the time of creating this video, you're allowed to include affiliate links in your Medium posts. But if that ever changes, no worries. Here's the workaround. Just ask ChatGPT to write a short teaser version of your article. Then, at the end of the teaser, tell readers to click a link for the full article. That link will take them to your Wix website, where your affiliate link is located. This teaser to full article strategy is the same approach you'll use in social media groups too. Grab attention with value, then guide readers to your main article. This way, you're building traffic from multiple angles: Medium, Google, Facebook, Reddit, and more. And it all starts with one helpful article at a time. If you'd like to see a more detailed, step-by-step video, let me know in the comments and I'll make it happen. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple AI automation business ideas.